Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix you are following too fast on TikTok. First thing first, you need to take a moment and slow down the pace of you following a lot of people. For instance, if you are following 25 people at a time, you may go ahead and do that, and then you can follow another list of people the day after that. That way, TikTok will know that you are not following people randomly. Now, if it's still showing you that problem, here is the fix. Head over to your TikTok, get logged into your account, tap on three bar icon, settings and privacy. Scroll below, report a problem, expand account and profile, select profile page. Tap on others here, and then tap on need more help. You will get landed onto TikTok support. Here, type in that the people you are following are all the people that you know, and it is necessary that you follow them in order for you to view all their contents. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix it.